When I first started learning English, I knew many words, but I couldn't speak fluently. Every time I wanted to say something, I had to translate it from Chinese in my mind, which made me slow and nervous when talking to others. One day, my teacher gave me an important piece of advice. Think in English. At first it was difficult, but I tried bravely. When I saw a cup of coffee, I told myself, this coffee is hot. When I went outside, I thought, the weather is nice today. Slowly, my brain started using English naturally. Then, a wonderful thing happened. I began to speak faster and more confidently because I didn't need to translate anymore. Thinking in English helped me express myself fluently without hesitation. Thinking is a very important part of speaking English. If you can think it, you can say it.